Hello everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Jess. So happy and excited to have you here today. And if you like home decor, DIYs and projects on a budget, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. Guys, in today's video I want to share with you 10 super easy and budget-friendly DIYs that you can do like in 5 minutes or less. These projects are super easy, I promise, and anyone can do it. I'm going to be using Dollar Tree supplies and things that I have around my home, and I just hope that you like and that you enjoyed today's video and that you can get some ideas and inspiration to decorate your home for these holidays. So if you like them, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel, and let me know in the comments which of these 10 ideas is your favorite. And remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage jazomy.com, and also my other channel Jazomy Home. We hopefully soon we're going to be uploading our house tour, but we have so many other videos amazing that you can check, so make sure that you check all of that in the description box of every single video. So yeah, let's get started with these 10 ideas that you can do in 5 minutes or less. For this project, I'm going to be using this double-sided round sign that I have at home, and I think it's from the Target dollar spot. I have it for like a few months now. And I'm also going to be using this reindeer head that I got last year on clearance at Walmart for like $2. And I decided to add my reindeer to the sign. I just add some hot glue and stick it in the white side of my sign. Then on the top, I decide to add some like foliage. You can add maybe some holly bushes, you can add berries, pine picks, and then I add some pine cones too. You can maybe also add a ribbon, and it is a super easy and fun DIY that you can do in like 5 minutes or less, and it looks amazing with a high-end look. For this next project, I'm going to be using a old piece of wood that I have on my garage, and I'm going to make it work. I'm going to be adding a piece of board that I have, and I spray paint these on Spanish moss color, and I'm just cut it a little bit smaller than my wood sign, and I'm going to stick it on top centralized with some hot glue. Next, I'm going to be using some Jenga blocks. I'm going to be using 3, and I'm going to be adding them, creating a line. And I'm also going to be sticking these with hot glue. Once I stick my Jenga blocks creating a line, I'm going to be using these Scrabble letters that I get from Amazon, and I love these. You can create so many crafts, projects and decor pieces using these Scrabble letters, and I think it's super trendy right now, so I'm going to leave you the link of where I get them. I get them from Amazon. It's really inexpensive, so you can find the link in the description box. I decide to form the word believe, and I stick all of the letters with hot glue, and then on one side of my sign I'm going to be sticking some pine picks with pine cones just to make this small sign super cute. I think it'll look amazing on a tier tray. It's going to add a really nice touch on any space. It's really easy to do and on a budget. For the next project, I'm going to be using this wooden star that I get from Dollar Tree, and I think you can find these on the Crafters Square section all year round. And I'm going to be using this one. I think it's perfect for Christmas. I'm going to be sanding all of the edges to make my wooden star a little bit smoother, and then I need to cover the hole. And to cover the hole, you can use maybe some wood filler, some sparkling. I just use some hot glue, and then I sand everything, and it's going to look just fine and it's a little bit faster. So once I have that part ready, I'm going to spray paint my star with this metallic gold color. I spray paint this outside and then let it dry. This is how it looks. Now it's time to add a really nice touch. I'm going to be using this candle holder that I have. I get it from Amazon and I stained these already. I'm going to leave you the link also in the description box just in case you are interested. It comes in a set of 4 and it's really inexpensive. I'm just going to stick these 2 pieces together. You can add maybe some pine peaks or like just some foliage to make it look really cool. And then I'm going to be adding a candle on top, and this is it. This is how this project turned out. It's extremely easy, but it's going to add a really nice touch. You can make a few of these in different sizes or maybe a set of 3, and it's going to look amazing. And you can use these for so many celebrations and Christmas and New Year's Eve. For the next project, I'm going to be creating a super easy wreath out of this wreath from Dollar Tree. It costs only $1 and hey, it's not that bad. It just needs some love. So I'm going to be working first with all of like the branches, all of the peaks, and then I'm going to be adding some more of these pine peaks just to make it a little bit fuller and with a more high end. And then I'm also going to be adding some leaves in this gold glitter tone, and I'm going to be sticking everything with hot glue. This is going to add a really nice touch too. And if you want these to look a little bit more fuller, you can add maybe lampseer or eucalyptus depending on what you have at home. I'm going to be separating all of the leaves and sticking them here and there with hot glue. As a final touch, I'm going to be making a small bow with this Dollar Tree ribbon that I have. I just cut the ends of my bow to make it look super pretty, and I stick it on top of my wreath with hot glue. And then I'm going to be hanging these on this sign that I DIY for fall, and I really love it. It's super cute, and I'm going to leave you the link of this sign too in the description box. But this is how my project turned out, and I really like it. Okay, let's continue with more easy DIYs that anyone can do. I'm going to be using these bells that you can get at Dollar Tree. And first I paint these with some spray paint in gold color, but you can also find them in the gold color. And I'm going to be painting them with some wax in antique color. I'm going to be using a brush, and I'm just going to add a small amount of wax. And this is just going to make my bells look a little bit more like antique. And that's the look that I'm going for. This is super popular right now. You can find these bells at Amazon, and they can be pretty expensive, but you can create them too using just $1 bells from Dollar Tree and just add some wax to make it look more antique or vintage. Then I'm going to be drying everything with my heat tool. I love this tool, it works amazing, and it's going to save you a lot of time, so I'm going to leave you the link of these in the description box too. And I decided to make a garland out of these bells, so I'm going to be using a long piece of twine. I make a knot on one side, and then I'm going to be inserting all of the bells, and once I was done with that, I make another knot in the other side. Then you can accommodate like all of the bells to make your garland looks pretty nice, and this is how mine turned out. I add this garland on this shelf that I have, and with all of this decoration that I did, and I really love how it looks. It gives that really nice touch, and I just love it. I'm so happy with this project because it was so easy to make, really inexpensive, and it looks amazing. I hope that you like it too. I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree chalkboard tags, and the package brings about 6 of this, and they're perfect to create some tag ornaments. And the first thing I did was to decorate it a little bit, and for that you can put like a small bow of any ribbon that you like, or you can also cut and stick a small piece of pine picks and then add some mini pine cones and some berries, all from Dollar Tree, just to give it a nice touch to this ornament. Then you can use a chalk. I bought this chalk marker and it is amazing, and in the description I left the link of where you can find it. And this is a chalkboard tag, so you can draw or write whatever you want. I decided to make some super simple and cute Christmas trees on it. You can also use maybe paint or any Christmas sticker that you find and you like, or you maybe can use your Cricut if you have one and create a decal and stick it on your project. Guys, you can make 6 of these chalkboard Christmas tags ornaments for just $1, and they look beautiful to put on your Christmas tree, or maybe to add a nice touch to a present. For the next project, I will be using this glass cylinder vase from Dollar Tree, or you can use any vase that you have and you like. And I will also use artificial cypress pine picks. You can get them from Dollar Tree or any holly bush that they sell on Dollar Tree. And what I did was to cut some small pieces in different sizes, and then I'm going to be gluing them with hot glue on the bottom of the vase. Once you have your vase ready and covered with these cypress pine picks, you can give it some height to the vase by placing a candle holder. And this one is black and I got it from Dollar Tree and I really like it, so I decided to glue it with hot glue to my vase. But if you want it to be stronger, you can use some E6000 glue. To give this project a pop of red, I'm going to be using these red candle, and I'm going to put it inside of the vase. But you could also put any white one if you are looking for something a little more neutral for these holidays. Once finished, you just have to light your candle and this will be the result. I really love it and I think it looks beautiful and delicate, and I think it's perfect and cheap to make 2, and then place 1 on each side of your mantle. And yeah, what do you think, guys? Give me a big thumbs up if you like this idea. For this project, I will be using this wood star sign from Dollar Tree, and I will also be using burlap fabric. And I get this burlap fabric at Walmart, and you can find it in the floral section and also in the Christmas section for a very good price. If I found something at Amazon, I'm also going to leave the link in the description box. And what I did was to place this star on the top of the burlap fabric to be able to trace the shape of the star and then cut it out. And I'm going to be cutting the burlap star about 1/2 inch smaller. From there, I just have to glue my burlap fabric to the wood sign using a little bit of hot glue and just taking care not to burn my fingers. To decorate my sign a little bit, I'm going to be gluing 2 of these artificial cypress peaks to the top of my star, and then I'm also going to be adding a very small bow that I made with pieces of ribbon in neutral tones, and I think that this ribbon that I use is from Hobby Lobby. I have these 2 white bells that have an enamel look that I made in another previous project, and I decided to hang them in 2 different levels with a piece of twine on the top of the star. In order to hang my sign, I decided to place a piece of ribbon on the back with hot glue so that it can hang my sign from any door or a window, or you can also incorporate this sign into a nice Christmas wreath. Guys, this will be the result of this project, and it was super easy to do and looks beautiful, and I think it's perfect for these holidays and all winter season. I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree Twig Balls, and they comes in different sizes and colors, and this size brings about 3 in a package for only $1. And the first thing I did was to put a piece of twine with a knot to hang it off the pine peaks later. To decorate each ball, I will be using some eucalyptus leaves that I just have at home, and I'm going to glue about 2 leaves on them with hot glue, and then I'm also going to be gluing berries to add a red touch. Guys, you can do the same in all of your twig balls in different colors, and they're going to look amazing. In my loves, all of these DIYs are extremely easy and fun to do, and you can do them as a family with your kiddos and create beautiful memories. Try to decorate your house this Christmas with special things that have a meaning and make you happy every time you see them. Okay, for this next project, I'm going to be using a Christmas stocking, and this one is from last year from Dollar Tree. But in this DIY, you have many options. You can use any stocking that you have and match with your Christmas decor for this year. And yeah, the first thing that you have to do is to fill the stocking with anything that you have, and I use these shopping bags. From there, you can place any holly bushes that you have, and I place these pine peaks, the same ones that I use in my wreath, and I'm going to be placing them inside the stocking. I will also going to be putting some of these Walmart lamps here and some Dollar Tree berries to match the rest of my Christmas decor this year. Once you finish arranging your decor pieces or any greenery or whatever you put inside of your stockings, you can place your stocking to hang on the wall or in a window or your front door. And yeah, this is an easy and fun DIY idea to make, and I think it's perfect to have a wreath a little bit different for this year. And guys, remember that in our webpage we post a new blog with wreaths in neutrals and different colors and styles, and the link is going to be in the description box. I hope that you like these easy Christmas decor ideas, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my other YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are in the description box, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.